this is in regards to rebuke. And let's say if the person knows that he has to rebuke someone and he doesn't like to rebuke, like generally speaking, he's not a person that likes rebuking, but yet he does it, like he does it regardless when he has to. Is this like a sign that his rebuke is coming from a good place?
I think so. I mean, it's when somebody likes to rebuke, there is a problem with the person. So he likes to be boss. He likes to tell everybody what to do, and he likes to point out the deficiency of other people. So for sure, it's not coming from a good source, right? So if per person that's what he likes. So, but since it is halacha to rebuke somebody, it's one of the 613 mitzvahs. So that's what we do, whether like it or not. You understand? So we're not doing it because we want to humiliate this person, to tell him something that he's doing or she's doing wrong, but because there is halacha, we're trying to help them, right? But it's all of this conversation, of course, not all of them, but many very uncomfortable. So and you prefer not to have them. You understand? But you're still doing it.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.